NDC for the near maybe by say mass registration me transfer of vote say ni say bibi ngwan sabe sabe je feeling in crofo dianim e call your first demonstration me dey maka say demonstration point na enya say nim timu nya at last your friend Ipac meeting no yes mo fact number na edu ho no yes suo bo amo anim gwase poto sabe only one data to back what they are saying.
Of all the issues, the categories you raised and the numbers involved, 284,000 transferred, 15,000 transferred, 50,000 dead people, it was only one. So please, I think today the data has said it all.
Because of politics and now power and see, when you say some now can because before you can make an allegation, you need to have what we call evidence to back it. Evidence is the name of the game. Meanwhile, amen for a judge on when Juma and the chile echo up and now. Amunim say munibi. And this 4 years so now yet two abandon casa we uncomfortable lead. No munim said they were losing. The same party 2020 Jomudim Mikako court no for evidence see any I say get here. That is the kind of party and our politics and our politicians from Ghana. Sabi ye feel say they are something. They are nothing.
If indeed they do have it, they should bring it for us to interrogate it and see whether the electoral commission has addressed it or not. It's not a question about having a leaking roof and mopping your floor. It's about the data, what you presented to the electoral commission.
Welcome to Xposed GH. Watch your family bro. So subscribe and the two pair na wanya bi. And as I make Ipac meeting a course so sebe yenu NDC form ko gu omani ma supporter. Na mpesa me kan asem we na wa we supporter emma sebe obi emma onkoye to trust because Ghanaian politicians, most of them they are power driven. They are power drunk. To me a painting no onim sa asem no kan enye no kre ba no kan Ipac sebe interparty committee omasha ye ba beto aba omo hiesie abra no na omo hwese aba na ye ba betoto no prepare na yenuanom NDC for de niam bi by say mass registration me transfer of vote say ni say bibi ngwan sebe sabe je feeling in crofo dianim call your first demonstration media maka say demonstration point na enya say nim timu nya ikọ one ko ba ye na sabe at last your friend Ipac meeting no yes mo facts number even before then na electoral commission institution government your constitution name na president who kwan say onya no almost say bring evidence o ma ntimi amfa ba na edu ho no yes suo bo amo anim gwase poto sabe only one data to back what they are saying. You go here video number.
Out of all the issues you raised, it was only one. Ernest Ofori. Of all the issues, the categories you raised, and the numbers involved, 284,000 transferred, 15,000 transferred, 50,000 dead people. It was only one. So please, I think today the data has said it all. The data has said it all to the extent that your methodology has questions. I think that for the commendations you've gotten here, you should be humbled enough to review your methodology so that you not raise issues that do not have basis to be a focal point to cause a certain mayhem in this country.
The same NDC, they have been found of doing this, and they be a chairman who say, identity because of politics and now power and see when you say some now can na yeka because before you can make an allegation, you need to have what we call evidence to back it. Evidence is the name of the game. Meanwhile, omaka amen for a judge on when Juma and the chile echo up and now. Amunim se munibi. And this 4 years so now yet two abandon casa we uncomfortable lead. No munim said they were losing. The same party 2020 Jomudim Mikako court no for evidence see any be. I say get here be say no see me evidence here. That is the kind of party and our politics and our politicians from Ghana. Sabi, you feel say they are something. They are nothing. Enti wa wo hwa me se wo ye sabi obi out tell me na o feel say this people will help you, they will help you. No mo na Justin Kodia MPP General Secretary otutu bi mo what's the idea na mobile? Where is the data? Where is the evidence? You go to Anusomra.
Today as we speak, the NDC is yet to give those so-called allegations and discrepancies to the Electoral Commission. Let it be on record. And for me, I challenge them that all those allegations that they are making and how the Electoral Commission will be able to address the issue, they don't have any further allegations. If indeed they do have it, they should bring it forth for us to interrogate it and see whether the Electoral Commission has addressed it or not. It's not a question about having a leaking roof and mopping your floor. It's about the data, what you presented to the Electoral Commission. The whole people of Ghana want to see it. And that is the comment APC made. That even the request for forensic audit is needless at this point because we are yet to see those allegations that you are talking about. And the Electoral Commission has said that they are going to furnish us with the cleanup that they have done. So, Madam Chair, we also want to know from you when we can have the revised exercise that you have done so that we can also have another look. It is afterwards that if there is a need for us to convey again, then the issues that you are talking about, we can even think about or even consider. But at this point, we are asking.
Oh, and you see a way, then be can be say, sir, you're ready, so baby, I don't even start it. Your election year. Now, make us say, these protesters are go two car kia, two police for key, make a say, more be any machino. They were being funded by political party. Our minister say what they are doing was wrong. Hey? It's just to destabilize Ghana because and yes sir only evidence o say me kwa number call demonstration for what enti wo would your machi se parties wenum ne omo keka na be your machi na nya new force na your machi a and na due new force na kwambe dia ko say one of your so is enfonso sabe youth na mo mamunya violence you see. In a civilized world, you know, you have violence in yard. And you are not near the casa. Demonstrations have been more 3 days. It's been peaceful. Because what if be any girl, I'm saying is bad, SCJ. But then, say, we need or pepper any ABA, now who cause a violence. We will support it. What did I make? I say, Yampe Aquasini and say, LPP NDC, because of power and tea. Sometimes they say things which are not even true. And you party papa join a new force. Who try and wanna call baby idea and your warrow. I expect GHFM Bruce Pacho or subscribe, the 2 number sack be madness. Bye bye.